10 unknown facts about Savita Prabhune. First, Savita Prabhune is an Indian actress known for her work in Hindi and Marathi television, theatre, and cinema. Second, she was born on 14th July 1964 in Vai, Maharashtra, India. Third, after completing her Bachelor of Arts, her father encouraged her to pursue acting. She graduated from the prestigious National School of Drama (NSD) in New Delhi in 1983. Fourth, she gained significant recognition for her role as Ai, Kusum's mother, in the Ekta Kapoor produced soap opera Kusum 2001. Fifth, Prabhune's role as Sulochana Karanjkar, the mother of protagonist in the Pavitra Rishta 2009, brought her widespread acclaim and awards, including the Indian Telly Award for Best Actress in a Supporting Role. Sixth, her television career also includes roles in Sarthi, Saya, Khulta Kadi Khulena, and Anupama, among others. Seventh, Prabhune began her career in Marathi theatre before transitioning to films. Eighth, her performance in Kalat Na Kalat 1989 film earned her the Maharashtra State Best Actress Award. Ninth, her Marathi filmography includes Lek Charli Sasarla 1984, Dhakti Soon 1986, Mumbai Pune Mumbai 2 2016, and Miss You Mr. 2019. Tenth, she has played several roles in Hindi films, including Fiza 2000 as a policewoman, Tere Naam 2003 as Radhe's sister-in-law, Highway 2014. Subscribe the channel.